Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
This pool, we're gonna do an office. But I fill out one bracket normally just online somewhere, just on the off chance that Jesus himself works through me, I become his instrument and guess every game. Well, then I want that on the record. I want credit for that. And you can't, and Jesus can't work through me if I don't fill out a bracket. So that's why I did. Well, I guess I did. Which goes you can't, and Jesus can't work through me if I don't fill out a bracket. So that's why I did. Well, I guess I did. Which goes Joe? Who's that? Bridge Runner Mark, how we doing? Good evening.
Big time. When this happened to my then sister Bob, everyone. Whoa! What the dude? Ah! Oh, damn it! Asshole! My God, dude! Are you? What is wrong with you?
We are sick. So they were just wondering. It's almost camel, so that maybe that's what
Fishing hat.
Okay. Well, is it like mine, like a baseball cap?
Yeah, it's a baseball cap. It's got like
Okay, so
fish scales on it.
I'm here to argue with
I love this hat.
I see that you're a little
Moron!
the way you want to be. That's fine.
This guy, you can't roll it up. Idiot, dude.
What the f was that?
That fucking parrot?
Why are they coming to
Let
us
this
up?
person do
I know.
what
I know
afraid.
it's not safe. We've got
He's
people
afraid.
behind us too who
He's
can rear end
afraid.
us.
He's afraid.
Prefer my news from other sources, although I like sampling CNN. It's doing a better job lately.
What's up?
Stupid driver.
Dude, did he just cut across the lane?
Yes, he cut off like 1,000.
Oh my God! What was that? Oh, the Challenger. Get away from me!
What the happened? They probably weren't paying attention.
My God.
Went and bought the domain and changed it, which is totally possible. Or someone who is needing to not be found out has changed it. Those are like,
just had a wreck. I'm fine. I've got a Dashcam. So, yeah, I'm stopping. Alright, I'll call you back. Alright, bye.
Recording emergency video.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.